these solar outdoor buried lights to review, and this is my experience so far. You can see they have these lights right here, which are about a little under 4 inches around. You can see if I put my hand over the top, they have 4 lights on the side, and then these LEDs up top. There's an on-off button down below. You can turn them on. See, they're off. Turn it on. And here they produce a nice soft light to accent a pathway or a parking spot, etc. at night. They are meant to be where they're low profile, so if they did get a tire over them, it would be okay, etc. And I've had them outside charging. They've already been through some rains we've had, and everything seems fine. One of the cool features with this specific product is they come with these little built-in stakes right here, where you simply put 2 of these stakes together as such. You just slip together, super simple. Then there's these 4 prongs right here that then they line up and go into the bottom of the light right here. And then you can just put them in the ground and they're nice and secure. These, you're probably gonna, if you have hard ground, you're probably gonna have to dig a hole and backfill these in and then put the dirt in to really do it. You're not really gonna be able to drive these stakes into the ground very well to get it in the dirt. They also come with supplied screws. You can see there are 4 screws on the side. One of the downsides to these designs is to turn them on and off. You do have to then unscrew them, etc. Not that big of a deal. It is nice that they come with, these little individual screw pouches. They just, you put 2 screws on each side, and they even come with anchors, wall anchors, if you're not screwing them into. You can see the lights here. They're just a nice soft light. They're not gonna bother any of your neighbors or anything. I have, see the 1 here, 2, 3, and 4. I think I'm gonna put the 4th over here so they're all in a row. I think I'll like that better, but you can see just a little bit of light to go out to your vehicle at night, etc. You get home, it'd be great for a porch, on a deck, etc. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put the other one right in line here. Kind of looks weird, but yeah, overall great light. You can see them right here. They got the little LEDs on top, then these nice soft 4 on the sides. And I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.